Yo, what's up, boys? It's me, Sankar XP, and today we're gonna look at some dumb 5-minute craft videos. Yeah, we're gonna look at is gonna be a video about like life hacks for your phone. So like, if your phone has a crack in it, how to fix it and whatever, you know, shit like that. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is already a bad idea. You don't put hot glue in your phone. That looks so ugly. Who would want that on their phone? Don't you have a TV? Just hold your phone. You are not about to do that. He's doing it. These people are so retarded. You're not seriously blowing by a charger, are you? There's no way. There's no way. There's no way! Why? Why did you do that? It just becomes shorter and it looks ugly too. It just looks like one of those old phones with those fucking wires. It just looks stupid. Why did you do it? And it's just shorter too. There's no point. Why? What's up, guys? It's me, Sankar XP. Today I'm going to show you some life hacks for your phone. Let's get started.